James Andrews Beard was an American chef, cookbook author, teacher and television personality. He pioneered television cooking shows, taught at the James Beard Cooking School in New York City and Seaside, Oregon, and lectured widely. He emphasized American cooking, prepared with fresh, wholesome, American ingredients, to a country just becoming aware of its own culinary heritage. Beard taught and mentored generations of professional chefs and food enthusiasts. He published more than 20 books, and his memory is honored by his foundation's annual James Beard Awards. James Andrews Beard was born in Portland, Oregon, on May 5, 1903, to Elizabeth and John Beard. His British-born mother operated the Gladstone Hotel, and his father worked at the city's customs house. The family vacationed on the Pacific coast in Gerhardt, Oregon, where Beard was exposed to Pacific Northwest cuisine. Common ingredients of this cuisine are salmon, shellfish, and other fresh seafood, game meats such as moose, elk, or venison, mushrooms, berries, small fruits, potatoes, and wild plants such as fiddleheads or young pushki. Beard's earliest memory of food was at the 1905 Lewis and Clark Exposition, when he was 2 years old. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.